Hey there. Let's get your Casio Illuminator watch showing the right time. It's easier than you might think. Just follow these simple steps with me. First, find the button labeled Mode on your watch. You might need to press it several times, so keep pressing it until you see the seconds on the display start to blink or flash. That flashing means we're in the time-setting mode. Great. Now, look for the button labeled Adjust and press it once. After that, each time you press the Mode button again, you'll cycle through the different things you can set. You'll usually see the seconds flashing first, then the minutes, then the hours, followed by the day, the month, and finally the year. Wait until the part you want to change is the one that's flashing. All right, now that the part you want to change is flashing, you'll need to use the other buttons on your watch. Look for buttons that might be labeled Forward or Start/Stop and Reverse or Reset. The Forward button will usually increase the number, and the Reverse button will decrease it. Use these buttons to set the correct value for the flashing item. Once you've gone through all the settings, the seconds, minutes, hours, day, month, and year, and you're happy with what you see, it's time to save everything. To do this, simply press the Adjust button one more time. This will lock in your changes and take you out of the setting mode. Fantastic. Now, just take a quick look at your watch display. Make sure the time and date are exactly as you intended. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's all there is to it. Your Casio Illuminator watch should now be showing the correct time. Let me know if you run into any snags.